Hey hustlers, Miles here. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I want to share a common mistake that I see a lot of Etsy sellers make when they go about building their Etsy business. Let's get into it. Oh, welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I help entrepreneurs build successful income streams online for more money, more freedom, and a better future. We're currently working on Etsy. So if you need help with that, please subscribe. And quickly, before we get started, I've put together a completely free 1-hour masterclass that will show you the exact steps and processes you need to take if you want to build a really successful Etsy store. If that's something that interests you, if you want to view the masterclass, just go down to the link beneath this video. So this video was kind of inspired by a discussion I had with someone actually a couple of days ago regarding building a business on Etsy. And this particular person is currently selling on Amazon, and they just started to get involved in Etsy. And we had a few discussions about what they plan to do with their Etsy store, including the kind of items they were thinking about selling and the kind of niches they were going to go into and all that stuff. And it started to appear to me in the way they were talking about their Etsy store, that they seem to be going about it in the same way that you would if you was trying to build or trying to be successful on Amazon. It's an easy mistake to make, and it's a very common one. A lot of people have had lots of success selling online on Amazon, so why wouldn't it be the same methodology on Etsy? Well, in this quick video, I want to share why that is absolutely the wrong approach if you want to be successful on Etsy. I think this video will be useful to know if you're someone, especially someone that's sold on Amazon. Perhaps you're doing Amazon merch and that sort of thing. But I think it's going to be useful as well, if you haven't. So there should be some good points that you can take away and apply to your Etsy store, wherever you are and wherever you're coming from. Anyway, let's dive in. So Amazon and Etsy are two completely different beasts, okay? And these two companies attract customers for very different reasons. And if you can understand this, it will help you with the kind of actions you take, with your store, and it should inform, everything that you do with it, okay? So let's go over the differences between, these two, marketplaces. So firstly, shoppers on Amazon are usually looking for something fast, convenient, and usually at the best price. If I think about when I'm shopping at Amazon, I'm usually looking for something that I can get quickly. I'm looking for the best deal. If I'm looking for an item there, and there's two listings for that item, and one is a low price, I'm going to pick that one, right? Now, of course, reviews come into play too, but that is a completely different video. Shoppers, on the other hand, on Etsy are searching for, something more unique, something special, something more thoughtful, something that's not, readily available anywhere else. If these two companies were brick and mortar stores, Amazon would be your Walmart. It's quick, it's easy, it's ready to go, it's got everything you want, and you can probably find, a few bargains. Etsy, on the other hand, would be that boutique shop on the high street. It has a completely different feel. For example, you probably wouldn't know the manager at Walmart, but at this boutique shop, there's a good chance you would have come across the owner of the store, working there, every day. You'd go in looking for something a little more special, something that's high quality, something that you can't necessarily find at the shopping mall. It's the same reason why some people go to their local butchers or their local bakery rather than getting it from their local supermarket. You'd probably be prepared to spend a bit longer here and a bit more money. Okay, so you might even be willing to wait for a custom item to come in. So let's quickly compare these things on the board. So Okay, so I've drawn out on the board sort of a little chart just to sort of get my point across. So in terms of products, most products on Amazon you can find most places. Okay, on Etsy, it's more unique. It's more it's handcrafted. There's more of an artisan feel to it. In terms of availability, in terms of what the customer expects on Amazon, they want things fast. They want it immediately. Okay, Amazon has conditioned their customers to expect, items, next day with Prime and all of that sort of stuff. On Etsy, a lot of the items they take, it's longer shipping times. Okay. And in terms of the type of customer, as we said, they're going to be more price conscious. Generally, they're looking for deals. That's why they're going to Amazon. Okay, they're looking for the best price. Okay, in terms of the type of customer that is, on Etsy, they're prepared to wait. Okay, for something special. Okay, they're seeking more interaction. And they're looking for something special, as we said. And as you can see, these are just a few of the differences between the stores. But, I wanted to show you this as it leads me, to the point of this video. In order to crush it on Etsy, you need to approach your store in a way that takes advantage of all of these things, okay? So your store needs to be offering something different, something they can't find anywhere else, okay? That's why buyers at the end of the day are coming to Etsy in the first place, and it's going to be a major factor in getting them to choose you. Don't get stuck also in a corner selling at the lowest price you can. That may work on Amazon, but it's not going to work here. Okay, there are thousands of other stores on Etsy, and some of them are going to be cheaper than you. That's fine, that's okay. But you need to stay in your lane and instead offer something worth more. That could be doing better designs, offering a better quality products or print on demand products, offering a bespoke service. Just add something that adds value to your store. Lastly, now the type of consumer that kind of shops at Etsy. How does your store and your products measure up? Do you have excellent product images? Does it feel like a quality, unique store? These are crucial things that you need to convey to your customer, if you want to be successful. So, in summary, make sure you bear these factors in mind as you work towards building your Etsy store, and that's going to put you in good stead. So I hope you enjoyed that quick video. I hope you found it useful. If you need help growing your Etsy store, or if you'd like to learn more about the factors that we've spoken about today and how to implement them, as I mentioned at the start of this video, I put together a completely free 1-hour masterclass that will show you the exact steps and processes that you need to take if you want to build a successful Etsy store this year. If you're interested in that, or to view the masterclass, just go to the link in the description below this video. So again, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.